cans, a couple grams. Goddamn, man, y'all don't understand. Hey, new lyrics since the uterus. The new king light is bright as what my future is. You could get discouraged if I'm being quite earnest. Tripping ain't no need, just let me flourish. Fortunately I orbit it. Talking about the world, let's get it. I'm with it. You can just forget it if you thinking you're different. Put a cork in it and a fork in it, forfeit it. Taking over your mortgages. They're gonna need to build some more orphanages. Stickler for percentages and never no rebates. Might come off ghost when I negotiate. Create that shit that make you go bananas. Get around town like the hoe that your grandma was. Some will say Demi was a scandalous man. I'm the creme de la creme with my hand on the can. Modelo cans, a couple grams. Goddamn, man, y'all don't understand. Modelo cans, a couple grams. Goddamn, man, y'all don't understand.
At the shotgun wedding, I'm a pop confetti. Just got done betting, cashed out already. Call me John Paul Jones, maybe John Paul Getty, Pope John Paul 2 free fall time petty nightmare. Call Freddie Elm Street dream chaser, freebaser of that crack drum track speed racer. Blah blah blah, gets smoked like a butterball turkey. Pollution up the river makes the waterfall murky. I'm the last Mohican, a surfboard shaper. Saw my cash flow peaking, now I'm worth more paper. Call my stockbroker, check out the stock ticker. Skyrocket, my pocket's a lot thicker. Not one to bicker, never shocked by the sticker. Price I get's nice, crushed ice in my liquor. I'm a showstopper, average flow topper. I'm a go copper, Modelo can, old papa sippin'.
Modelo cans, a couple grams. Goddamn, man, y'all don't understand. Modelo